Storm blanketing more than 70% of the country with snow right now. We're going to start in Texas. All 254 counties are under a winter storm warning, and Austin is under the first wind chill warning ever issued by the National Weather Service there. Every major airport in Texas canceled hundreds of flights, including both airports in Houston, which are shut down. Houston officials are warning Texans to prepare for power outages and dangerous roads, conditions they normally see after a Category 5 hurricane. And here now another live look at the driving conditions. This is in northwest Indiana on 8094, ground cam 9. Actually, US 41 getting off there now, approaching Calumet City.
All right, let's check in with Tom Skilling. Hey, Tom.
Hello, guys. Well, look at the warnings covering the country, and you'll see the scope of this weather. It's been driven by this mammoth Arctic outbreak that has freeze warnings down to the Gulf Coast. And did you see on the video earlier, you could see the Gulf of Mexico steaming there. They had sea smoke on it, much as we see on Lake Michigan. We're under a winter storm warning and in the grips of quite a snowstorm that's lake enhanced. There's the cold air that's powering all this. There are tornado watches in the warm air on the east side of it in North Florida, and then bitterly cold air with an extensive area of wind chill advisories out west. It feels like it's 10 below. This adds to the danger of this whole situation. Not only is there blowing and drifting and a very light breed of snow that easily goes airborne in the 30-mile-per-hour wind gusts we're going to have tonight, and there you see some of the gusts in the Midwest, but it is bitterly cold. You wouldn't want to get run off the road on a country road in this situation, because there's going to be serious blowing and drifting in open areas and along Lake Michigan here in the city. Those are 10-minute average winds. Here are the wind gusts, and they're going to grow stronger, gusting over 30 miles an hour at times tonight. Weather bug cameras, the view from Northwestern. By the way, we had open water this morning. The northeast winds have blown all the ice back into the shoreline. See how the water was open this morning, and then you'll see the ice starting to return as visibilities crash at Edgewater Beach. Here's another view right here, downtown. It's been lake snow up until the last hour or two. Now we've got full-blown and widespread system snow coming into the area. So the visibilities are dropping, and everybody's getting in on this, not just areas near the lake, and will for much of the rest of the night. There'll be the heaviest totals in lakeshore communities, but boy, there'll be not insignificant totals elsewhere. We'll run those down for you in a moment. There's the spread: 5 at Antioch, 19 at the Latin School here in town, 12 at O'Hare. What a cold day with 30-mile-per-hour winds. Even though the thermometer came up 8 degrees from yesterday, that was no bargain. We had no sunshine today. Haven't we been there before? And now with north winds blowing at 22, it is snowing. Then we have fractions of a mile visibility and a 10 below wind chill at O'Hare Field right now. And there are the temperatures. Amazing. I can't remember the last time we had this kind of snowstorm, an organized snowstorm with single-digit temperatures over part of the area. This is reminiscent of the snowstorms we used to get in the 1970s around here. There you see the wind chills too. It's dangerously cold out there. This is the 11th day in the deep freeze around Chicago. We've averaged 19 degrees below normal, and look at all those below normal days. Every one of them double digits below normal since February the 5th. Well, the headline: snowstorm, high winds tonight, blowing and drifting. When it's all said and done, local 12 to 14 inch accumulations along the lake. There was 4 inches in a nearly just 2 hours time at Evanston this afternoon. North end of the city has had up to 5 inches, and you can see 3 to 6 inches out in the Fox Valley. So that's how the amounts taper off. And there'll be breaks in the clouds as the day goes on tomorrow. We'll get back to the 20s later this week, and may even get up near freezing or just a tad above on Sunday. So the cold air will start easing, but we've got to go through a lot of chilly days before it gets here. And here you can see the widespread nature of the snow. See the lake snow plume coming in right there, and how it's kind of swallowed by the larger storm snow that's now spreading up in the area. Visibility is a great proxy Missouri for how heavily the snow is coming down. We've got a third of a mile at Midway and O'Hare, 5/10 at Lansing. That's a half a mile, 3/10 at Valparaiso. And look at the extent of the reduced visibilities. Virtually the entire state of Illinois, entire state of Indiana. So that's how widespread this is. And you go back into Missouri, and it's snowing there too. Here's how the snow will lay out at 1 a.m. There it is at 7 o'clock. We go over to lake snow from roughly that point forward, and then that will end during the afternoon tomorrow. There'll even be some breaks for sunshine. But if you missed our snow rundown, there it is, up to 8 inches in Valparaiso. Folks have written me on social media from Chesterton, Indiana. They said they've run out of places to put the snow. They had another 7 inches last night. We're going to show you some pictures from there on our weather segment in the next half hour. And there's the snow yet to come. More than a foot may accumulate. Look at this area of the country covered by snow. That is amazing. I haven't seen a map like that in a long time. This is nearly an all-time record for the most the greatest chunk of the lower 48 to be covered by snow. So it's been, again, this is reminiscent of these winters back in the 70s in its aerial coverage. And yet, it's only been going 11 days. We'd had a mild winter up till that point. Seems like it's been going on forever. Winter storm warning till noon here in Chicago. Snowy, windy, very cold tonight. 4 to 9 inches additional accumulation by morning lakeside counties, and about 3 to 6 inches in the Fox Valley. 1 to 3 inches as you get out by DeKalb and Rockford. Low 10 tonight, then windy and cold. Snow tapers off. We'll get partial clearing tomorrow. Could be some snow showers into the early afternoon along the lake. Final totals 10 to 15 inches lakeside, 3 to 6 inches Fox Valley, high 18 tomorrow, and still windy from the north-northwest. Then clouds scattered, diminishing, and with lighter winds and clearer skies, temps will tank down to 3 tomorrow night, -8 to -14 inland. And the lighter winds means wind chills by morning will be around 5 below, but that's no bargain. And clouding over cold on Wednesday. Could be some snow Wednesday night and Thursday. Then partly cloudy or mostly cloudy Friday. Saturday, clouds over, and another snow system could be in on Sunday. But at least the temperature will be up, flirting with freezing in the area. Boy, I'll tell you something. This winter was a lightweight affair till about 3 weeks ago on the snow and about a week and a half ago on the cold. And bam, it's hit with ferocity. It's pretty amazing, but not a night to take lightly being outside. It is dangerously cold and very windy and treacherous on the roads. Guys, we'll keep you posted on it, and I'll see you next half hour. Demetrius will be in at the bottom of the hour, too.
Okay, sounds
good. See you then.